What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to the Osnom Rips channel. In today's box rip, we are cracking into an Optic blaster box. 6 packs, 4 cards per pack. Looking for autos, looking for mems. Main inserts, though, are going to be Downtown, Downtown Duos, Downtown Legends, Uptown, My House, Sunday King, Rookie Kings. A lot of good potential to come out of this box. Hopefully we get another big pull. Hopefully it's a good one for you guys. Subscribe. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, guys. Really appreciate that. Stay up to date on the channel. Got a ton of good videos yet to come for you guys. So hopefully you guys subscribe, stick around. And that being said, let's crack into this box rip and see what we get. Martinez rated rookie. Best tutties for Lamar Jackson and Mark Andrews. Sam Darnold and Rex Grossman. Derek Harmon. Jamal Charles on the refractor. TJ Hawkinson and Brian Robinson Jr. We have Kenneth Grant rated rookie. A Blake Groupie on the refractor. Leonard Williams and Bucky Irving. Mason Taylor rated rookie. Cam Ward on the pink rated rookie. Daniel Carlson and Derwin James. Caleb Johnson rated rookie. Winshawn on the pink shock rated rookie. Art Monk and Bledsoe. Jalen Walker rated rookie. Jack Beck on the pink shock rated rookie. DK and Deion Sanders. Alrighty, guys, we are all sleeved up. Quick breakdown from that box rip. This is the stack of base cards, our base rookies, our 2 Prizm Holos, Jamal Charles and Blake Groupie. Our 3 pink rookie parallels, Jack Beck, Winshawn, and Cam Ward. And then our best tutties, Lamar Jackson and Mark Andrews. Definitely not our best blaster box, but yet again, still a decent box rip, no doubt. Hitting some solid rookies. Good rookie quarterback, solid rookie running back, so not too shabby altogether. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that one. Don't forget to leave me a like, always appreciated. Subscribe to the channel, stay up to date on what we got coming for you. We got 3 Invincible blaster boxes, a Topps Chrome Platinum baseball blaster, some soccer. We got NFL Signature Class Mega Box, Bowman NBA Mega Boxes. We got a Donruss Mega Bowman Blaster, 2 NBA Hoops Blasters, and a Topps 75th Anniversary Series 2 Costco bundle as well. So hopefully some big pulls yet to come for you guys. Hopefully you guys subscribe, see the videos we got in store for you. Hopefully I catch you in the next one.